This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Discoveries, their physical computing unit, and I'm doing the lesson analog input. Let's see. Putting color on the screen. If you don't have this code, you need to go back and do the prior parts of this lesson. If you're stuck, watch my tutorials. Putting color on the screen. Now that your sensor data is in a scale that works for red, green, blue, yep, because we set that up last time, you can go about setting the screen color. Okay, so I'm not going to need console logs for that, I don't think. Do this, add a set property block and set it to change the screen's background color. Okay, set property, got it. Add an RGB block to the last parameter. Oh wait, first I need to tell it the ID. Oh yeah, of course. So we're gonna say set the property of screen 1, and what property do we want to change? Background color. We're gonna change screen 1's background color. RGB block, is that in... Oh, there it is, right here. Red, green, blue. Ooh, they even have this A, which controls how transparent something is. I'm going to get rid of that part of it. And then use the 3 color variables you created. Red, green, blue. Perfect. And so this is going to combine the levels. Whoops. This is going to combine the levels to make a single background color. So if it's 75, it's not going to have a ton of blue, because remember the scale is 0 to 225, and if it's a 75 degrees under the light over there, it's not going to have a ton of blue. Depending on how light it gets, it will have red, and then the sound, which might be the highest because I'm loud. We'll see though. So it will have more green, I think, than most. Oh, maybe I should have left the console log. Oh well, let's try. And I'm going to mess with this, all right? Hello? Oh, does it not update continually? It doesn't. Okay. Well, then let's reset it. Now I'm going to point that light on it. Yeah. Yeah, now it's hotter. Or now there's more light. Okay. Now let's get that light off and let's reset. That's that green again. Okay, now I'm going to try to make it hotter. That doesn't really show up that well. I think I'm too cold. Yeah, that doesn't really work. Oh well, that's super cool. Light, sound. Oh, we can try sound. I'm not that good at that one, but we'll try. Reset. Hello? No, you can't even tell. Oh, all right. Well, cool. It definitely is working, as you saw with the light. So, awesome. I can't wait till we make it continually update, hopefully in the next part of this lesson. Let's keep going.